In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Aweber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly remove a list you no longer need while avoiding common mistakes. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, choose the official Aweber website. Make sure the address looks correct so you're signing in on the legitimate site. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option, usually at the top right. Click Sign In and enter your account credentials as you normally would. Take a moment to ensure you're using a secure connection and that you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ones. After you're in, navigate to the area where your lists are managed. Look for the Lists tab in the main navigation. Click it to open your list management options. From there, select Manage Lists. This brings up a clear view of all the lists associated with your account, making it easier to take action on the one you want to remove. Next, locate the specific list you'd like to delete. Take your time here and double-check the list name and any identifying details, such as the subscriber count, so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. If you're uncertain, it can help to quickly review the list's purpose or recent activity before proceeding. On the far right side of that list's row, move your mouse over the three-dot icon. Hovering here reveals additional actions that aren't immediately visible. When the menu appears, look for the trash can icon labeled Deactivate. Click that trash can icon. You may be asked to confirm the action. Proceed only when you're sure. Deactivating effectively removes the list from active use. Emails won't send to it, signups won't go to it, and it will no longer appear in your day-to-day workflows. A quick tip before you finalize. If the list contains contacts or data you may want later, consider exporting a backup first so you have a record. Also, if any sign-up forms, landing pages, or automations pointed to this list, plan to update or retire those assets to prevent confusion for your subscribers. And that's the process. Open your browser and find Aweber. Sign in, go to the Lists tab, choose Manage Lists, find the correct list, hover over the three dots, and click the trash can icon labeled Deactivate. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you work.